I'm Stan Moot, CTO at IBM, and I've got Michael here from TAG Video Systems. And one thing that's always impressed me about TAG is you guys figured out how to do things in software, and everybody thought it was hardware.
That's right. TAG has always been a visionary company. It started over 15 years ago when the founders seen the opportunity in the IP space, and they decided they're going to focus on software only, IP only, because that's the future of the broadcast and the distribution in the media space.
So people think of you as a multiviewer company, though.
Well, we are a multiviewer company, but we're way beyond the multiviewer company. We do a lot of innovation, and that's really what drives us, is to innovate, bring new things into the space, and basically disrupt the perception that people have about how they use multiviewers, how they use monitoring in general. So TAG's main focus is on monitoring video. And by monitoring, I mean, it means a lot of different things. It's different aspects of monitoring. It's everything from probing, deep probing, analysis, data analysis, analytics of data. It's quality of service, making sure that our customers have the best quality that they deliver to their consumers. Quality of experience, and they have very high demand for quality, and we're helping them achieve this.
So tell me about your new technology for content matching.
So this is the first attempt by anybody to bring this innovation into the monitoring space. It's really revolutionary because it basically simulates a subjective video analysis to identify the same content across different points in the distribution workflows. So what it does, the technology is able to identify whether the content in point A or point B is the same or different. And there is a lot of different applications on top of that technology. For example, once we identify that the content is the same from point A to point B, we know what the time difference between those 2 points, so we can measure latency very precisely, regardless the resolution, the frame rate, the type of the codec of that video stream. That's just the basic application. There is more advanced applications, for example, verifying commercial insertions. So once we know that the content is the same and we're seeing things like SCSI markers coming in, it's not enough just to tell somebody, hey, you have a SCSI marker. That doesn't mean that that commercial actually played. So because we immediately identify if the content changed or if it stayed the same, so we can tell you if the commercial opportunity actually was utilized or not.
So tell me about MCS.
So MCS is a new product that we've been working on for a long time, and we released it about a year ago. It's a huge enabler for advanced applications such as the content matching, but also it's an enabler for data analytics and data analysis. It's a single point that collects all the data from the multi-viewers, the probes that we deploy within the customer's environment, and we're building on top of that things like business analysis, machine learning based on that data. So it's really about helping customers do more with what they already have, which is data, and that data is really the gold mine of what customers are focusing on. It enables their business, it helps them to be agile, it helps them to drive new decisions and business decisions based on monitoring.
Well, TAG always has innovative stuff for sure. Nice chatting with you, Michael.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.